Hello everyone, in this video let's create a random strong password generator using JavaScript. The main function of this program is that it allows users to choose password length, special characters if needed, and thus it will create a password according to the given data. As you can see, if we enter less than 6 numbers for password length, this program will check and ensure that password length is between 6 and 30 characters. Thus it will make the password stronger. So let's write the code for it. Alright, here we have a simple HTML document. It's the foundation of our password generator. We'll be using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to make this all work together seamlessly. Now we have successfully created an HTML file for our password generator. Next, we can style this HTML document using CSS for a better look. We are writing internal CSS. So let's write CSS code for it. Now we successfully styled our HTML document using CSS. The next important step is that we want to write JavaScript for our code, then only it will create a random password according to it. So let's write a core function for our code. We have successfully written our JavaScript code, and we completed our random password generator. Next, let's run this code and check it works. As you can see, our random password generator using JavaScript is successfully working. Thank you for watching our video. If you find interested, please don't forget to subscribe and like our video.